my name is Achita Kumari. I am from BCA batch 2 SEM 1. I discuss the topic is what is CSS. First we introduce what is CSS. So CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. CSS is a markup language used in a web documents for presentations purpose. Various elements like font, text and colors are used in CSS for presentations. We can use to bring the style in the web document. By combinations with HTML documents, flexibilities of content is achieved by using of CSS. Now we discuss about the types of CSS. CSS have three types. There are first is external style sheet, second internal style sheet, and third is inline style. We discuss about first types of CSS is external style sheet. External style sheet is ideal when applied to many pages. Just like here the syntax of external style sheet is head link style sheet text and this head clause. An external style sheet can be used can be written in any text editors. Your style sheet should be shaped with .css extensions. Here are the examples of external style sheet. There is HR text, margin text and bodies. Now we move the internal style sheet. An internal style sheet should be used when a single document has been unique style. You can define internal style in the head section of an HTML page by using the style tag like this. Here are the examples of internal style sheet. There are head style sheet, HR colors, margin tags, and body style close and head close. Now we move. Third one is inline style sheet. An inline style sheet loses many of the advantages of the style sheet. To use inline style, add the style attributes to the relevant tag. The style attribute can contain any CSS properties. Here are the examples of inline style sheet. H1 style colors, margin, and here are some sentences. The H1 tag is closed. Now this done. That's it. Thank you.